Hi, and welcome back to my channel, and I'm here to talk to you about the importance of work-life balance. Work-life balance is the ability to effectively manage your time and responsibilities so that you can have a successful career and a fulfilling personal life. There are many reasons why work-life balance is important. Here are a few. It can improve your physical and mental health. When you're stressed and overworked, it can take a toll on your physical and mental health. Work-life balance can help you reduce stress and improve your overall health. It can increase your productivity. When you're well rested and relaxed, you're more likely to be productive at work. It can improve your relationships. When you have time for your personal life, you can spend time with your loved ones and strengthen your relationships. It can make you happier. When you're happy with your work-life balance, you're more likely to be happy overall. Set boundaries. Establish clear working hours. This means setting specific times when you will and will not be working. For example, you might decide to work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. Don't check work emails or take work calls outside of work hours. This can be difficult, but it's important to create some separation between your work and personal life. If you're constantly checking work emails or taking work calls outside of work hours, you'll never be able to truly relax and recharge. Don't bring work home with you. This can be tempting, especially if you have a lot of work to do. But if you want to achieve a healthy work-life balance, it's important to leave work at work. Take breaks. Take breaks throughout the day, even if it's just for a few minutes. This will help you stay focused and productive, and it will also give you a chance to relax and recharge. Get up and move around. This could mean taking a walk, stretching, or doing some light exercises. Moving around will help you stay energized and focused. Take a few minutes to relax and clear your head. This could mean closing your eyes and taking some deep breaths, listening to calming music, or reading a book. Taking some time to relax will help you come back to your work refreshed and ready to focus. Prioritize your personal life. Make time for the things that are important to you. This could mean spending time with family and friends, pursuing hobbies, or taking care of your physical and mental health. Schedule time for your personal life in your calendar. This will help you make sure that you're actually making time for the things that are important to you. Be willing to say no to extra work or commitments if you're already feeling overwhelmed. Learning to say no will help you protect your time and energy for the things that are most important to you. Say no. It's okay to say no to extra work or commitments if you're already feeling overwhelmed. Learning to say no will help you protect your time and energy for the things that are most important to you. Don't be afraid to explain why you're saying no. If you're feeling overwhelmed, explain to your boss or colleague that you're already feeling stretched thin and that you need to focus on your current priorities. Don't feel guilty about saying no. You have the right to set boundaries and protect your time. Delegate. If you have too much on your plate, don't be afraid to delegate tasks to others. This will free up your time so you can focus on the things that only you can do. Delegate to people who are capable and willing to take on the tasks. Don't just delegate to the first person who is available. Be clear about what you need from the person you're delegating to. What are the specific tasks that you need them to complete? When do you need them completed by? Take care of yourself. Get enough sleep. When you're well rested, you'll be better able to handle the demands of work and life. Eat healthy foods. Eating healthy foods will give you the energy you need to get through the day. Exercise regularly. Exercise is a great way to reduce stress and improve your overall health. Conclusion. Work-life balance is important for your physical and mental health, your productivity, your relationships, and your happiness. There are many things you can do to achieve work-life balance, and it's important to find what works best for you. If you're looking for more tips on how to achieve work-life balance, I recommend checking out these books. The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less by Greg McKeown. Work-Life Balance, Achieving Success Without Losing Your Sanity by Mark Lowry. These books offer practical advice on how to set boundaries, take breaks, prioritize your personal life, and say no to extra work. For your convenience, links for these recommended books are available in the description below. I hope you find them helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.